Let's take a look at problem number 6. This is a linear inequality. So let's go over our steps for solving a linear inequality. Inequality. We have a note, says at any step combine like terms and combine numbers. Step 1, get rid of parentheses. You do this via the distributive property. Step 2, get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all the denominators. Step 3, get everything with an X on the left side, numbers on the right side. Technically, you don't have to do that, but it already puts it in perfect form, so you don't have to worry about anything. Step 4, divide both sides by the number in front of the X. And we have a note that says if you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, flip the inequality symbol. So let's solve this problem using those steps. This one's a pretty straightforward one, but at least it refreshes you on the steps. And that's when you're studying for the final exam, that's the way you should be thinking. You shouldn't be thinking that it's going to look exactly like this, but numbers changed. But you need to refresh your memory on how did I solve that stepwise. Okay, step 1, get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Step 2, get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Step 3, get everything with an n on the left side, numbers on the right side. So I'm going to take the negative 6 over to the right side. Now when you take anything across your inequality symbol, the sign changes. The negative 6 becomes a positive 6. Now our note up at top said any step combine together numbers. 14 plus 6 gives us 20. And actually we don't have to do step 4 because the n is already by itself. There's nothing in front of it. Now let's see what kind of form our answers are in. Looks like set builder. Now how you do set builder is you put curly brackets around it, like that. This remains exactly as is, but then you put an n and then a vertical bar. Now how you read this is the little curly brackets refers to a set. So this is a set of all. This is a set of all values n, such that that's what the vertical line reads. Such that n is less than 20. N is less than 20 would be D as in David. So let's check that, 6D. And that checks.